A great way to showcase discounts and offers from your brand on Instagram is to create an engaging reel with a trending audio, like this clip from The Office, that has already been used over 47,000 times.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening!
And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how you can use it to create a viral reel for your brand in under 15 minutes with the help of this ready-to-use InVideo template.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm!
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
Now select the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is the best fit for reels, and click on Use this template to go to the editor. Here you have a very intuitive setup. The canvas shows you the actual video while all your scenes are placed on the timeline and are already synced to the trending audio. So you don't have to change the audio or readjust the duration of the scenes in any way. On the left, you have the complete menu to choose what you want to add to the video like images, text, music, etc. Now let's begin editing. We are recreating this reel for a higher education consulting firm, but you can customize it for any product or service. If you have video clips and images of your own, you can upload them using the Uploads option in the left menu. Else, you can follow along to see how you can use stock media to recreate this reel. For the first slide, we want to replace the video of the couple painting their wall with that of a student on his or her laptop to give the impression of someone applying for college applications. So, we'll go to the video tab in the left menu and search for the same using the search bar. Once we find a clip that we like, we will drag and drop it onto the canvas and hit replace in the pop-up window that appears. This will open up another pop-up window where we can trim the duration of the clip to fit the scene, which is depicted by this vertical dotted line. Simply select this option on the bottom left corner of the window that says Trim Video to Fit Scene and then click on Add, and your clip will replace the template default. You similarly want to go ahead and replace the remaining clips in the template as well. For the last scene, we have an image instead of a video. So to replace that, we will need to go to the Image tab in the left menu and search for a relevant image. Once we find one that we like, we will simply drag and drop it onto the canvas and hit Replace. And your image will have replaced the template default. If the media you've replaced appears slightly blurry or pixelated, don't worry because sometimes the editor takes time to load. It will be exported in high definition only. If you make a mistake or add media you don't want, you can either delete it by pressing the delete key on the keyboard or undo the step using the Command+Z or Control+Z shortcuts on your keyboard. Once all your media is replaced, you want to go ahead and change the text. To do that, double-click on the text on the first scene to open up the edit window on the left, and here you type out your own text. Make sure you add your website and CTA in the last scene. The final step is to change the logo. Simply click on the logo on any scene to open up the logo menu on the left and then upload your own logo. Once it's uploaded, click on the image and it will automatically get replaced throughout the template. Now, if everything looks good, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your reel.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm!
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
And once you're satisfied, hit Export. We suggest exporting in 180p for the best results. You can recreate this trend for other types of brands as well. For instance, if you sell customized bags, this is what this reel will look like for you.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm!
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
Now let's look at how you can upload your reel on Instagram and start getting reach and engagement for your brand. Use the audio link on the template page and open it on your phone. Here you can use this white pill at the bottom to upload your edited reel and it will automatically be synced to the audio, so you don't need to make any additional changes. Just put in your caption, add your hashtags and hit share. And that's how you can create and upload a trending reel within InVideo.